How to add video to a product page in Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify dashboards. And then you want to go to products. And then you want to find a product or add a new one to the product you want to have a video on. So let's say I want to have a video inside this jeans product page. So there is two ways we can go about this. The first way is to add files where it says media. So just click add files if you have the video installed on your computer, or you can add from URL if you want to have, for instance, a YouTube video on your product page. Let's say we want to use this video right here on our product page. So let's just copy this URL. And then you can click add from URL and then paste it and then add file. If you want to have a video in the description, you can do like this, click insert video, and then you want to get the iframe snippet from the video. The way to do this is to click share, and then you want to click build in, and then you want to copy this code right here, and then you want to go back and paste the code inside here, and then you click insert video, and when that is done you click save. Now let's go inside our page and see how this is looking. And as you can see, we now have the video at the left corner here, which you can play, and then you have it on the description down here. So this is how you add a video to your product page in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.